Hello, it's the Practical Teacher here. I thought I'd show you a quick little video of how to make a choice board. Now, we've used choice boards for different parts of our lessons, so especially during lockdown, we've used them for extending our learning. So here's a places of worship, lots of different videos we found on YouTube, put them in one place. Sometimes we've used them as group feedback, so here's some answer videos that I've done for the children so they can go and have a look at which questions they've gone wrong. I know for when I'm going to go back, I'm going to be doing one about our Florence Nightingale and Mary Seacole topic. So it's just an idea that we're going to use that as a way to kind of go beyond what we do in the lesson so they can go and explore and maybe research those people all by themselves. But it's a good way to kind of just dump everything in one location just so that the children can access a lot of information all in one go. But how do you make this? So if you just go on to Google Slides, I'm going to call this website. Try that again. Website test. There you go. Website test. And I'm going to create my choice board. So what I'm going to start with first is I'm going to start with videos from the internet. So let's try insert video. Let's just search for 007 video. Okay. 007. Here we go. The new trailer for this one. Or this one. Let's do the theme. So I click on that and press select. And that's in there, ready to go. And you can choose over here, if I move my face, you can choose when to start, when to stop. I would keep it on play on click, because if you play automatically, all the videos will all play at once. So there's my thing, there's my little video. I'm not going to play it from on that, otherwise it'll be copyright striked. So there we go, I'm going to put that down here. Now you can change the backgrounds if you wanted to. It's right click, change background. I'm not going to do that today because you can also have a go doing that, and I want to quickly go through so this video isn't very long. Now, what about your own videos? So how are we going to put our own videos in what you've made? Because I've made a James Bond video. I've done it for my class. I did it for addition and subtraction consolidation. So how do we put that in? Well, first we need to go on Google Drive. So what you need to do is go on Google Drive. Here's my Google Drive. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a video in there. So you can press New and then find your video and upload. I'm just going to drag from the bottom and put this one here. As you can see, I've already put one here because hopefully this will process. And by the time it's processed, we can then quickly put it on our choice board. Now, as you can see, one of the videos I've uploaded has now processed. So I've got a little picture here. This was taking a bit longer because it's actually a bit bigger. So I'm going to go and upload this one. So what I need to do is I'm going to right click on the video, press share, and I'm going to make sure anybody can access it. So down the bottom here, it says, get rid of that, it says change to anyone with the link can access it. Brilliant. I'm not going to copy that link though because I don't need to. Press done, and that video is ready to be shared. So I go back to my slides, and then I can insert that video from Google Drive. So here we go, I'm ready to insert that video. I'm going to put this one there, that's the one I want, because look, I can see people have been shared, can share it. Click on that, and then it's in. So here's my video, play on click. Not going to play that because that will also get copyright striked as well. So we can shrink that and put that here. Should we see if the other one's done? Just done, just now. So I'm going to right click, share, anyone with the link, press done, go back, insert, video, then at the top, once it loads, there it is. Put this in here. Previously on the mission. And I won't play that for now. I can show you how to make one of these in the future. They're actually quite straightforward to do and just involves a green screen. But yeah, really simple. So I'm going to put this here. But it doesn't have to be just videos though. You can upload files as well. So let's go back here. Let's put this lovely Twinkle PDF here. Okay. And again, there you go, a secret agent certificate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press right click, share, and I'm going to make this shareable. Same way as before. And all I have to do is go back, press insert. Now, this point here, you need to press text box. So I'm going to make a text box. So I'm going to call it 007. Oops. There you go, 007. Now this is where you need that link. So if I go back, right click, share, and go back onto here. If I copy this link now, it's great for documents and go back. All I need to do is highlight, link, and I can paste the link there. So again, this works with OneDrive. In my school, we use OneDrive quite a lot. I don't use OneDrive for videos though, because videos are terrible on OneDrive. Use Google Drive for that. But if you're sharing documents, OneDrive can be quite good for that as well. So if you're using OneDrive, it's a similar system. So there you go, that's clickable. I can also make another slide, and I can link to the other side. So I'm not going to put anything on it, because again, I'm going to try and make this quick. Press text box, put in there, I could put next slide here, or it could be things like learn about this person. And then you highlight the text, right click, link. So slides in the presentation, slides 2, and play. Document. So how do we share it? I'm going to show you that now. Big button share, make it shareable so anyone can access it. Let's change to anyone, press done. Don't copy that link, don't need it yet. You could do that, but then again, they could edit it and it's all of that, it's messy. What you want to do is you want them to access almost like a website. So if you go on File, Publish to the Web is down the bottom, and then you can publish it. Ignore all this. You can do the slides every 5 seconds or so. It doesn't really matter. Press Publish. OK. And that's the link you want. So all you have to do is copy that link and paste it. You can send it on Teams. You can send it. We use Seesaw at school, so I put all of them in the announcements that children can access. But here we go. So they can watch this video. Oh, that's the one that copyright. Better not do that. So there you go. They can watch that video. They can listen to this. They can click on this, which will take them to, oh, look, that's something they can print off. They can press next slide, take them to the next slide. So lots of things. Then go back. One thing I would say just before I go is sometimes the videos, if you upload them to Google Drive, don't load. Sometimes it comes with an error code. All you have to do is just reload the page, and then it works. But that is choice boards in a nutshell. There are so many more advanced things you can do with it, and I will share an example with that in the next couple of weeks when I make one for school about some of the stuff you can do, and you can see what it looks like as a finished product. So that's just an introduction to choice boards. As you can see, this is quite basic. I'm going to be sharing in the next couple of weeks one I will do in school to do with our topic. So you can see what it might look like, make it a little bit flashier, really. But yes, so have a go. Anyway, this has been the Prep School Teacher. Hope you have a good day. Remember, like, subscribe, share, please share. Everything I make is free and available for you to share with anyone you like.